On the 15th of December, APQS gave to me a brand new machine called Millie. Well, at least we hope to give somebody a brand new Millie quilting machine today. The winner of our long arm APQS giveaway has been chosen, and it's time to make that big announcement. I hope she's home. I've been trying to reach our winner all day long. It was finally time to head on home, so I'm going to give it one last shot.
Hello?
Hi, is this Marsha?
Yes, it is.
Hey, Marsha, this is Dawn Cavanaugh from APQS calling.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, Marsha, you're a tough lady to get a hold of.
Well, I work from 5 to 5.
Oh my gosh, you put in long days.
Yeah, right now I'm putting in 12 hours, so.
Oh, you gotta be tired. I'm hoping that the news I have is gonna perk you up a little bit. You are the winner of an APQS Millie.
You're kidding me.
I'm not kidding.
Oh my gosh.
You've entered our contest and you're the winner of an APQS Millie worth $19,700.
Okay. I will have to do some cleaning out in my sewing room.
You sure will, but I'll bet you'll be able to make room for it.
Now I have a question on that.
Okay.
What size table is it?
You'll get to decide what size table you need.
Can it be adjustable to a smaller size?
Nope, Millie comes with an 8, 10, 12, or 14 foot long table.
Okay. I'll have to measure my sewing room to see what size I need.
Yep. Well, you get busy doing that. What we'll do now that I know that you put in those long days is we'll get in touch with you and make all the arrangements.
Okay, it'll probably be the end of January before I get everything cleaned out there to set it up.
That's okay. I totally understand. It's that time of year where the holidays are going to keep us all real busy.
Okay. I cannot believe this. I have entered for a long time.
Well, you know, I think that we could tell you'd entered almost every single day.
Yeah, I did.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Are you surprised?
Yes, I am. My husband's probably going to have a heart attack.
He might just do that, but I hope that you can break it to him gently and let him know that you are a big winner.
Okay.
All righty, hon. We'll talk to you soon.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye.
What a great reward after putting in a long 12-hour shift to be able to say, I get to go home and quilt on my brand new APQS Millie. Be sure to enter our next contest, because who knows, you might be the lucky winner.